Okay, there's my 2 packs of neck bones. I'm gonna season it with some Lawry's, some chicken bouillon cubes, some garlic powder, some onion powders, some black pepper, and some Tony's. I would use onion, but my husband, he don't like onion, but this is the next best thing. I'm gonna use the onion soup. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for this recipe. So let me go and get these neck bones in some vinegar to soak about an hour. Put a little salt in the water. Yeah, and then so I'm gonna put them in a crock pot. I'm not gonna cook them on the stove. I'm gonna put it in the crock pot. Alrighty, let's get started. So let me get it in this bowl I got in the sink. Love me some neck bones. Quite a few we did. Turn on this water. Fill up in the sink. Cover the with a little salt. Should be enough. I just want to pull some of that blood out of the meat. Some vinegar in there. Let it soak for about an hour. And then I'm going to come back and put it in the crock pot. All right. See you guys after it get finished soaking. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to season it. I got my Lawry's. Season it real good because it's going to be, I changed my mind. I'm going to put some, chicken broth. I'm going to use some chicken broth. Got the Lawry's. Got the garlic powder. Onion powder. Got some black pepper. Black pepper. Sprinkle some of that. Uh-oh. Like a little Tony Creole seasoning. I don't want it to be too hot. Just a little bit. Okay. And then I got my Lipton onion soup. Just gonna sprinkle that on top. The whole entire pack. It's gonna make your house smell so good. My husband don't like onions, but he likes the Lipton onion soup. So that's what we use. And then I'm just going to pour some of that chicken broth in it. All the way around. Yeah. And then I'm going to turn it on high. Turn it on high. And then I'm just going to put the lid on it and let it cook for about 6 hours. And then we will see you guys back in 6 hours. It should be ready. If not, it'll cook just a little bit longer. Okay, see y'all in 6 hours. Oh, it's so tender. Falling off the bone. Look at that. Look at that. It is tender. Look at the bone. Bone just slide on out. I'll be back. That's your bone. I know that's hot. Look that. That's your bowl. That's your plate. That ain't really hot.
She's been cooking these all day, she said. We're gonna see what they taste like. They are melting in your mouth. Meat, y'all. Look at that. That neck bone going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Got a whole pot of them too, y'all. Nothing but meat. I'm making a little salad with this. I just want y'all to show this real quick. Man, that is good. I can eat meat all day. All right, y'all. Neck bones going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Peace.